If you want bigger arms, stop wasting all your time on biceps curls. Your triceps make up 60% of your upper arm mass, so if they are flat, your arms look small. Today, I am giving you 7 brutal exercises to build that thick horseshoe shape and serious pressing power. Let us skip the fluff. Grab some weights and work. Let's go. Exercise 1. Kneeling dumbbell overhead triceps extension. Using 2 independent weights. Kneel down on your mat, engage your glutes, and keep your body perfectly vertical. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, push them up, but keep them completely separated throughout the movement. Inhale deeply, keep your upper arms locked beside your ears, and lower both dumbbells independently behind your neck. Because the weights are not touching, your stabilizing muscles must work twice as hard to prevent shaking. This builds flawless bilateral symmetry and forces both arms to grow equally, without the stronger side taking over. Once you reach full extension at the bottom, exhale and drive the weights back up using pure tricep force. Execute 3 sets of 12 reps. Focus entirely on keeping those elbows pointing forward, control the descent, and push through the fiery burn. Next up, we are breaking the traditional rules with exercise 2. Overhead dumbbell tricep extension, front of head. Sit down firmly on a flat bench. Keep your back upright and engage your abdominal wall. Take 1 heavy dumbbell, cup your hands under the top plate, and extend it completely above you. Now, instead of going backward, inhale deeply and lower the weight slowly right in front of your face, bringing it down towards your chin. Your elbows will naturally flare out slightly to clear your head, which completely alters the mechanical tension on your triceps heads. This specific angle relieves standard shoulder strain, making it perfect if you have tight joints while targeting the lateral and medial heads deeply. Once you hit the bottom of the movement, exhale powerfully, drive that weight back up along the same path, and lock it out at the top. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 strictly controlled repetitions. Do not rush the eccentric phase, embrace the unique stretch, and control every single inch of this movement. Now let us move to the cable machine for exercise 3, cable high pulley overhead triceps. Set the pulley at the very top, attach the heavy rope, and face away from the stack. Take a solid staggered stance, step forward to pull the weight up, and lean your upper torso forward at a 45-degree angle. Hold the rope ends behind your head, keeping your upper arms strictly parallel to your torso. Inhale deeply, brace your core, and push the rope forward by extending your elbows until your arms are fully straight. At the very end of the movement, separate your hands to force an absolute peak contraction in the long head. Exhale as you lock out, then slowly allow the cable to pull your hands back behind your head, maintaining rigid control against the constant tension. Cables provide 0 dead zones, meaning your muscles work relentlessly through the entire range. Perform 4 sets of 15 quality repetitions. Don't use momentum, keep your shoulders locked, and let the continuous cable tension tear those deep muscle fibers completely apart. Let us transition down to the ground for an incredible bodyweight hybrid with exercise 4, dumbbell dip on floor. Take 2 heavy dumbbells with flat heads, stand them upright on the floor parallel to each other, and set them at shoulder width. Sit down between them, place your palms firmly on top of the dumbbell plates, and extend your legs straight out with your heels touching the floor. Lift your hips into the air, keeping your back rigid and shoulders packed down. Inhale as you bend your elbows backward, lowering your hips until they almost touch the mat. Keep your torso tight to the dumbbells, ensuring your elbows do not flare outward. Exhale sharply. Drive through your palms and push your body back up using purely your triceps. This setup increases your range of motion significantly compared to standard floor dips, while eliminating wrist discomfort completely. Hit 3 sets of 25 repetitions to build exceptional raw power. If it feels too heavy, bend your knees slightly to scale the movement, but keep working hard every single set right now. Moving onward, let us target total muscle density with exercise 5, dumbbell seated triceps extension upper arms. Sit upright on a bench with supportive backrest, placing your feet flat on the ground for maximum stability. Clean a single heavy dumbbell up and hold the top inner plate with both hands, forming a secure diamond grip. Extend your arms completely straight above you, locking your upper arms close to your ears. Breathe in deeply and slowly lower the dumbbell behind your head by bending only your elbows, keeping your shoulders entirely packed. Take the weight down until your forearms press tightly against your biceps, creating a massive stretch in that long head. Exhale with power, squeeze your triceps hard, and drive the dumbbell back to the top of the movement. This classic exercise isolates the upper arm area flawlessly, promoting thick muscle growth. Aim for 3 sets of 15 controlled repetitions, avoiding any forward head movement or back arching. Lock it in, stay disciplined, and crush this intense arm workout with absolute focus and fierce internal determination. We are maintaining the heat on our knees for exercise 6, kneeling dumbbell overhead. Let us kick things off by stripping away your ability to cheat with the kneeling dumbbell overhead extension. By dropping to your knees on a comfortable mat, you completely eliminate any momentum from your legs, forcing your upper body to do all the work. Grab 2 dumbbells, push them straight up over your head, and press them lightly together with your palms facing inward. Now, pull your shoulders down and lock your core to keep your spine in a perfectly straight line. As you breathe in deeply, slowly bend only at your elbows, lowering the weights directly behind your head. Feel that intense, deep stretch in the long head of your triceps, which is the largest part of the arm. Exhale forcefully, drive the weights back up to the ceiling, and squeeze your triceps like your life depends on it. This movement builds massive overhead stability and deep tissue hypertrophy. Fire through 3 sets of 15 reps and keep your elbows pointing forward, not flaring out to the sides. Stay focused and let that burn build real muscle. Finally, we reach the ultimate finisher, exercise 7, bodyweight triceps extension from plank position. Start in a low forearm plank, placing your palms flat on the mat and keeping your body in a perfectly straight line from head to toe. Inhale, brace your entire core. Press your palms hard into the floor and extend your elbows together to lift your body into a high plank. This movement is incredibly intense because it uses your entire body weight as resistance while forging ironclad core stability. Exhale at the top, then slowly lower your forearms back to the mat with total control. Don't let your hips sag or rock. Fire through 3 sets to absolute failure to empty the tank. If you are feeling stuck, confused about your current training routine, or struggling to see the muscle growth you want, please leave a comment down below. I want to hear your story and help you overcome those fitness hurdles. Let us team up and build your healthiest, strongest self together. So make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. Stay disciplined, take care of your body, and I will see you in our next workout.